Hello everyone. Today I'm ordering breakfast from a restaurant I have never ordered before. I have no idea what to expect. The order is already placed. Let's wait for the breakfast and find it out if it's actually worth trying or not. The order is finally here. And I must say the aroma is amazing. Let's open everything up and find out what I have ordered. Finally, after lots of struggle, the packet is opened. The first item is bruschetta toast. Pardon me if I have pronounced it incorrectly. Let me take one more bite. I have no idea how, but I forgot to wear gloves. So if someone blindfolded me and asked me to guess the ingredients, I won't be able to get it right. It has avocado and balsamic vinegar, which doesn't stand individually. I would rate this a 5 on 10. The second one is shakshuka with sour bread. It isn't the most appealing dish, but let's not judge it before I taste it. Except, of course, eggs, feta cheese and tomato. I can't taste anything else. I think they could have elevated the dish a lot. They could have added oregano, mozzarella cheese. There were lots and lots of options, but it's very plain for me, and it's very tomatoey. I know shakshuka is made with tomato paste, but you can add your variations like coriander leaves for that extra flavor. I will rate this 3 on 10. This is vegetarian breakfast. There were options between eggs, sausages and bread. I have chosen scrambled eggs, chicken sausages and from bread, brown sourdough. Talking about the taste, honestly, it's much better than the toast and shakshuka. I'm really liking the sausages, scrambled eggs, I'm liking it. Overall, it's okay. I would rate this 5.5 to 6 out of 10. The fourth item is Tropic Teriyaki Pineapple Bowl. One big disadvantage is the chicken is smelling a lot. I can't overlook that. And apart from this, for me, it's very dry. Like they could have also added a side dip or something to finish that dryness when you are taking a bite. I would rate this 4.5 to 5 out of 10. Let's end this breakfast on a sweet note, and I'm really hoping this dessert doesn't disappoint. This is mango and passion fruit panna cotta. Honestly, this one didn't disappoint me at all. I would rate this 8 on 10. I also want to talk about one thing. First of all, apologies from my side because since past few days I have been posting vlogs late, but still you all shower me with your love and support, which means a lot. My YouTube family is the best, and when I say this, I mean it. I know it's not easy to post 2 vlogs per week, and I have taken that responsibility. I want to learn as much as I can. Keep supporting me. Yeah, also suggest me topics, ideas on which I should be making vlogs, etc. I will try to consider it. I learned a lesson today that I should order food from known places. So You can say it was just a little experiment, and yeah, these things happen. It's alright, but not frequently. And yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.